Hello dear student, how are you all? I think everyone are fine there. So student, today we are going to begin with the exercise questions or comprehension questions of the lesson Wrong Man in Workers Paradise. So student, I hope everyone have seen the videos which were uploaded yesterday and you have got knew what is the matter and what is the story all about. Yes or no? So I think yes. So student, today we are going to begin with the comprehension questions of page number 5 of your textbook. So let's begin with this. So student, here you have the first picture. On this picture, it is written Wrong Man in Workers Paradise. So, do you know? Do you will get any idea? See, here all the workers are working in the workers' paradise. Paradise, in the sense, as I told you yesterday, it is a heaven where all peoples are working together. And in between, what happened? There one wrong man came. So he is a wrong man who kept in the heaven mistakenly after his death by a aerial messenger. So he came here and he motivated all person. Okay, first he motivated and inspired this girl. Okay, he inspired this girl who was too busy in filling the water in this pitcher. Okay, he made he made one beautiful painting for her, so her picture looks very beautiful. So she got inspired by this, and what she did, just make another thing for me. Then again he made a red ribbons for her for wearing purpose. Okay, for her hair. Okay, even this girl is so untidy. She used to remain as it is without any makeup because she don't have a time to do, and she is working hard, okay, to develop her workers paradise. And here all the men are so busy in working day and night, but this man brought another culture in this heaven: painting, okay, drawing, enjoying, leisure, sitting, laughing, singing. All these kind of works belongs to this wrong man. Then at last what happened? He was disallowed to stay in the wrong man workers paradise, and he was thrown outside. Okay, even this girl also accompanied him. Okay, and here then what happens at last? The elders of the heaven became so anxious why this happened here in this heaven, and the aerial messenger asked sorry for this. So this is what a short summary what we have discussed in the previous videos. So student, let's begin with each and every question briefly and find out its answer. Okay, so let's begin with another slide, and here I am going to show you some pictures related to the workers paradise, so you can watch it or you can glance it for a seconds. Peoples are here, they were sitting, some of them are working, some of them collecting the fruits, and somewhere a wrong man is laughing and making the jokes. So the whole paradise, the whole heaven looks like this. So this is what here all about the workers paradise. This manner, somewhere they are enjoying like this, playing football, sleeping, enjoying, laughing, drawing. Okay, and they all passionate, even inspired, okay, by this artist who used to draw different kind of things, and which is not useful for this workers paradise. So this is what happened there in the workers paradise. All right, and the remaining you have got new about this lesson, okay, by a brief discussion. So students, let's begin with the question and answers. Okay, I will scroll each and every question with its answer, and I will explain you why it is. Understood? So let's begin without further go. With the first question of the comprehension questions. Yes. So here we have a question as it is given in the book. Answer briefly the following questions. Choose the answers from the alternatives given below. So the questions might be asked in this manner. Okay, so the question one is, the man indulged in mad whims. Who considers the man's work as mad whims? Can you tell the answer? So here you have an options. Option A, the man himself, the writer, the people in workers paradise. So what is the answer? Yes. Okay, the answer is C. The people in workers paradise considered him the mad indulged in mad whims. Okay, so here the question asked, who considered the man's work as mad whims? Okay, what is the man's work? He used to draw, he used to paint, okay, everywhere, and he is taking a good picture. So this is what a wasteful thing to the peoples of the workers paradise. Now comes to question number 2. Okay, so here the question number 2 is, explain the comparison in paragraph number 3. In the paragraph number 3, everyone watch it out here. So what is comparison there? Okay, so A, some boys compared to dash. B, they are not studying compared to dash, yet passing in the test compared to. This is what you have to answer. So some boys compared to the artist. Okay, how the wrong man spending his time in a sphere, is it or no? So some boys are compared to the artist like here, and they are not studying compared to, it means he is wasting all his time in a painting. Okay, they are not studying compared to means that here the some of the boys are not studying, spending their time in leisure. When the exam comes, they open the book and they study. So this is what happening with the wrong man also. Yeah, the throughout his whole life the wrong man wasted his time in the earth. That's why he is kept, okay, in the heaven by mistakenly, okay, by a real messenger. So it shouldn't be happen like this. So here after going into the heaven, he didn't know anything. Okay, he didn't know how to plow, how to save, even he don't know any work. So he enjoyed his life there in the heaven and changed the environment of the heaven. Okay, now the answer C is going to heaven, yet passing in the test compared to going to heaven. So here the persons in their actual life do the good things, then he or she considered to go in the heaven according to the Indian mythology. So this is what happens there. Okay, fine. Now comes to question number 3. The question number 3 says that when the man say we haven't a moment to spare, para 6, it means that they are overburdened with their work, they are happy and proud to be so busy, they are different. So the answer is they are happy and proud to be busy, because these people are the ones who are chosen by the Aryan messenger and kept in the heaven, and they're doing the same thing what they have did in the earth. That's why they are happy and proud to be busy. Alright, so it is there in the para number 6. You can read the paragraph 6 and understand it thoroughly. Okay, now comes to question number 4. Why is the torrent in the workers paradise silent? Do you know what is a torrent? Torrent is a river, it is a stream, and it is so silent. And where it is situated? It is situated in workers paradise. Why it is so silent? It doesn't waste its energy in making a sound, or it don't want to waste its time in making a sound. Okay, so that's why the torrent, silent torrent in the workers paradise is so busy, and it don't want to waste its energy and time. Understood? Now comes to question number 5. So the question number 5 asks, the girl's hair was carelessly done. Why the girl's hair was carelessly done? It is mentioned in the paragraph number 9. This indicates that she was interested only in her work. She did not like to dress her hair properly. She was unaware of any sense of dressing. So what is the answer? Answer is she was interested only in her work. She is not interested to maintain her hair properly or to make some makeup. Okay, but nowadays what is happening? Girls are giving too much of time in such a careless kind of things, and they are not paying to their aims and the goals. So it shouldn't happen like this. So you have to work hard. Okay, how she is doing. Fine. Now comes to question number 6. Here, why did the girl of the silent torrent feel sorry for the man? Answer is she noticed that he had no work to do and was sitting idle. Okay, so here the girl noticed that the idle man, a wrong man, don't have any work. That's why he is sitting idle there, and she provides some work to him to work. Fine. Now comes to question number 7. What is given there in the textbook? The girl scanned the painted pot at home secretly. Paragraph number 27 it is. This line indicates that the girl was impressed by art and beauty. The girl did not want the artist to know that she was impressed by his work. The girl was afraid of the elder's rebuke for wasting her time. So what is the answer? The answer is the girl was afraid of the elders' rebuke for wasting her time. So the elders of the heaven were very strict. They were going to punish all those people who are not working there in the workers' paradise and who are showing some such kind of laziness. So it shouldn't happen there in the workers' paradise. So this is what should be taken care by all people who were kept in the heaven. So that's why this girl don't wasting her time, otherwise she will be scolded by the elders of the heaven. Now comes to question number 8. Okay, what the question 8 says that the hurrying feet of the girl became less hurried because she became lazy like the man. B. She was attracted by art. C. She was trying to rearrange priorities. D. The meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful. Answer is the meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful. That's why, okay, the hurrying feet of the girl became so less hurried, became so lazy. That's why the meaningless was, okay. The word meaningless is given by the girl to the wrong man, okay. And now this word meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful for that girl. Alright, now comes to question number 9. So here the question number 9 says that why did the elders of the workers' paradise become anxious? The elders of the workers' paradise become anxious because more and more people in the workers' paradise were becoming idle, wasting their time on painting and sculpture. That's why they become anxious. What do you mean by the word anxious? Getting very aggressive, okay, getting so confused, getting so getting so disappointed on others' work. So that's why the elders of the workers' paradise become anxious. Now comes to question number 10. Here the girl follows the man out of the workers' paradise. This suggests that the girl was bored with workers' paradise, was fascinated with the man's skill in painting, saw new possibilities open up before her. So answer is saw new possibilities open up before her. So this is the answer here. Saw new possibilities open up before her. So what's the question asked? The girl follows a man out of the workers' paradise. Okay. So she want to saw new possibilities because she is totally fed up with this kind of routine. So she want to go with him in another world where she can give her precious time in such a okay leisure means. All right, fine. Now comes to question number 11. Here what does the line the man never believed in mere utility mean? So student, in the beginning of the sentence the phrases came, the man never believed in mere utility. What do you mean by this phrase? Can anyone tell me? So the meaning of this phrase is the man appreciated the beauty in everything and liked those which pleased the senses even though they were not useful for any activity. Though the man never believed in mere utility means a person who is working hard and another person is watching him, but he thinks that that person who is working is not any useful, okay, he is doing for not any useful things, so it is a waste kind of things. This is what a wrong man think for the workers paradise people. So here, all right, did you got the meaning of this mere utility? And we have already discussed in the class in a such a detailed manner. Okay, now comes to question number 12. Question number 12 says that here, what changes occur in the girl's behavior, attitude at the following stages in the story? Okay, then what happens here? Question here, before she agreed to give her picture to the wrong man. Okay, so here what changes occur in the girl's behavior? Before she agreed to give her picture to the wrong man. So what changes were there? Before that, answer is when the wrong man offered to draw pictures on her picture, the girl was slightly angry because she thought pictures did not help in making a picture more useful. This is the answer here. What she thinks. If I give my picture to him, is my picture going to become more useful? Here she is not bothered, my picture looks so beautiful and it looks so attractive. She is not bothered about all these kind of things. What she want, the thing what we are doing, it should be useful, it should be up to the mark, and it should be more productive. This is what felt in the brain of the workers paradise people. Even this girl also think the same thing. Okay, all right. Now comes to B. Same questions. B1. After she gave her picture to the wrong man, then what happened? When she gave her picture to the wrong man, after the artist drew lines and colors on her picture, the girl was puzzled at their meaning. She was very much attracted by the drawing looked at it again and again. She was so impressed by it that the next day she walked slowly to her work and engrossed in thinking about the colors and lines. So this is what happened with this girl. Okay, the day when the wrong man drawn a beautiful picture, okay, drawing a big lines which gives doesn't any meaning, but it looks so attractive and beautiful, and it changes the state of mind of that girl, and that girl become lazy and fanciful from that day onwards. Okay, the C question asked here of the same question, that when the wrong man offered to make ribbons for her, then what happened to the girl? The girl offered her ribbons more readily than before and used the ribbons immediately too. She had to spend more time trying them, and this resulted in a lot of time getting wasted. Now the girl had given her ribbon to him and he designed it properly, and she is wearing those ribbon to set up her hair, okay, to look so good. So the time which is given to bring the water from the silent torrent is wasted, and now she became lazy. This is what here you will get the answer for this question. Now comes to the D1 of the same question. What it is? Yes, the D1. Question number 13. Here. Fine. At the end of the story, there is a complete change in the girl's attitude to life. Okay, who should the credit go to with question mark? Is it to the elder artist's ability to impact others, or is it the girl's readiness and the open-mindedness to change? So what it is? So by reading this question thoroughly, so here you will get the answer. Firstly, the artist has the ability to draw very well and attract the attention of others towards his art. Okay, yes, we can agree with this. Secondly, though the girl is not immediately ready to give attention to his art, she is open-minded enough to consider it when he draws on her picture. After paying more attention to his art, she becomes so impressed with it that she is ready to go with him when he leaves the workers' paradise. So after all, why that girl left with the wrong man? Okay, and she want to reside somewhere else where she get a leisure and happiness. Okay, why? Because she is totally impressed by his artist. Okay, or with his art. Now comes to clause study. See student, clause study is a very important portion, because here a 1 or 2 marks question might be expected from the examiner during the examination. So you should attend each and every clause study of each and every chapters, whatever coming here in this book. So clause study, here you have read the following extracts carefully, discuss in pairs, and then write the answers to the questions given below them. This is what it is given there in your textbook. So question number 1, here you have, but the moving finger writes even in heaven. A. What does moving finger mean here? The moving finger mean here is, it can mean God or fate that keeps an account or record of everything that a man does. This is what answers here. Okay, moving finger means to an artist who used to, okay, who used to draw a very beautiful art and he is wasting his time. This is what observed by the moving finger, a God who is observing each and everything what the man do there on the earth. According to his work, according to his outcome, he is going to set a platform after his death, if he have to live in heaven or a hell, according to their mythology. Understood? Now comes to B1. Okay, B. What figure of speech is used in moving finger? In the moving figure, the figure of speech is metonymum. Which it is? Metonymum. What it is? What do we mean by metonymum? After is used to refer to a whole. Okay, a part is used to refer to a whole. A moving finger is used to refer to a person who keeps an account of man's activity. Okay, a person who keeps the accounts of the man's activity is called a moving finger. So here the wrong man, okay, practiced only arts and the leisure in the earth. That's why his activity is recorded by the elders of the heaven, but mistakenly kept in the heaven. So this is what a figure of speech is used, metonymy. Okay, moving finger. Yes. Now comes to C. What does the sentence mean in the contents? The sentence mean in the contents is, even in heaven records are kept. Further, though everything is expected to be perfect in heaven, mistakes are made. Okay, if mistakes are made, then they might be punished. Question number 2. As a princess sees a lonely beggar and is filled with pity. So the busy girl of the heaven was filled with pity. Okay, filled with pity. Here for this explanation we will get some 4 questions. Let's do it. Okay, so question number 1 is, who is compared to a lonely beggar? Answer is the artist. Why he is lonely beggar? Because he is sitting beside to the silent torrent and he is not doing anything. That's why the girl calls him a lonely beggar or a idle man. Why was the girl filled with pity? The girl was filled with pity to see that the artist had no work. That's why she filled with pity. Okay, and she had something sympathetic for this wrong man. How did the girl offer to help him? She offered to help him by giving some work. She offered him work. Alright. Question number 3. When she set out for the torrent the next day, her hurrying feet were a little less hurried than before. Why it happened? Okay. So here for this question we have some 2 questions. Okay. What are they? Yes. What had happened the previous night? Answer is, she had examined the lines and colors drawn by the artist on the picture for a long time and was now engrossed in thinking about them. Okay. What does hurrying feet suggest? Hurrying feet suggest here in the text that there were no thoughts worrying about her mind. Her feet were moving fast. Okay, fine. And what the word not hurrying feet suggested, after motivating by the wrong man, she start walking slowly and thinking about her, okay, picture. How, what the meaning that says. Now, why did they become less hurried? The legs of the girl become less hurried because she was lost in her thoughts about art, what is made on the picture. Okay, so student, this is all about the question and answers. The question and answers of the first lesson. So student, what you have to do, whatever the question and answers what we have discussed here in this class, you have to write each and every question with its answer in your fair notebooks, and after that send me there in the WhatsApp. I am going to mark it my attendance list. Understood? So just take care about your homework and take it seriously, and in another video we are going to discuss about another lessons, okay, through a live video, and in between we will going to learn some grammar part also. For the time being, student, take care and have a nice day.